Hey guys, here they have this Jeep Compass, and in this video the thing is what I have to do, I have to remove the marker light, and it looks like I'll have to remove the fender and the bumper. So this video will show how to remove the bumper, the front bumper in this car. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we have to open the hood. Open the hood. Secure it. So what I'm going to start with, I'm going to take 10mm ratchet with the socket and remove 10mm here and 10mm over here. Okay, so let's do that first. Okay, I got 2 screws out. Next step, we're going to take what is this, T20? Yeah, I think it's T20. And we have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws over here. Okay, so this is star T20. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we got them 5 screws out. Next step, we need to get a 7mm socket with a ratchet or socket and remove 1, 2, 3 screws. Okay, we have to remove them from here. I'm gonna spin the wheel now, and yeah, we got 1, 2, 3. After that, over here inside in there should be a 10mm screw nut. Okay, not bolt, so we'll have to get that also out. So now let's take these 3 out. Okay, we got 3 screws out. Next step, 10mm ratchet, get inside in here. Put you guys here so you guys can see. Okay, and get this one out. Okay, so once we have this screw out, these screws out, we did this on both sides. Over here, we must, well, we should have a clip. One here, another one is here. One is here, another one here. So, for some reason, I'm missing this on this car. So what I'm gonna do now? Let's check the other side. Okay, yeah, I have a clip here. Okay, so this is the clip I'm talking about. So how do we remove this clip? Actually, it's very simple. Just get the middle out. Just have to get the middle up like this. Okay. So you got the point, okay guys? So just get the clips out. Okay, so once you have all the clips out, you should get the screw right here. See this 10mm screw? There's another screw on the other side. So you have to remove those. So let's do that now. Okay guys, so actually there were 3 bolts underneath. You'll find it's not that hard to find. And now I believe we should be able to remove the bumper. So I'm gonna take floor mats, we'll put them here and remove the bumper. Okay, so first let's pull here. Okay, disconnect the bulb. Just remove this here, like this. Pull here. Same way, and same way remove the bulbs or disconnect from the turn signal. Come on, let's go. Okay, so now we just have to disconnect the fog lights, the connectors. Okay, same way, and we have our bumper down, same way over here. Okay, so guys, this is how we do this. I'm gonna show you how to put it back on. Okay guys, so let's put everything back on. It's gonna be totally same reverse procedure like we did taking it off. At this point, what are we gonna do? We just connect connectors to our bulbs, turn signals. Okay, get it right. Close the red pin. Same thing here. Light. Pin. On this side, pin won't work. Okay. Yeah, and then we just raise the bumper up. And as you can see over here, shit, need two hands. You have to slide the bumper into here like this. Okay, so over here like this, same both sides. And after that, actually, it's very simple. You just do the same reverse procedure you did taking everything off. You put the 3 screws, 3 bolts, 5 screws on top. Do the sides like you did on both sides, and these two will go here and there. Okay, so it's actually very simple, as you can see. Hope this video helps, and if it does, please press thumbs up and have a great day. Bye.